We did a thing.
She did a thing.
I did a thing.
She did a big thing.
I gotta show you guys the thing I did. Now, this is a draft, so it has not for resale on it. This is my author draft. The Brave Adventures of the Green Bean Queen. I made a children's picture book all about Pistol. Let me read you the back. Pistol, the Green Bean Queen, is a happy pup who loves to explore with her family. In this story, Pistol's family is going on a boat ride. Can she overcome her fear of water and get in the boat, or will she have to stay behind? It's a story of bravery and facing our fears.
If there's ever been a dog that's been deserving of a children's book written about her and adventures, it's Pistol.
Yes.
She has done so much, so many things.
And I have to show you my favorite illustration in this book. Now, I didn't illustrate this. I heard that out. But let me, I love this picture of Pistol. Because she is the Green Bean Queen.
So it's available on Amazon?
Yeah, we have a Kindle ebook you can get on Amazon, and we also have the paperbacks now available on Amazon. I'll post links to that in the description box below. And also on our website, we are selling signed copies of this.
Pistol signed.
Yes, she's going to be signing this as well. So if you would like a signed copy, head over to our website and pick up one of those. I'll post a link to that in the description box below as well. And if you do end up getting one and you enjoy it, be sure to leave a review. Whoops.
There's my glasses. Right on your dog. It made a noise on your dog dish.
Yes. So I want to share with you, we have this book. Now, you know, a lot of van lifers do the recipe book or the kind of van life book, but for some reason I just went the children's picture book route.
I love it. It's a really cool story, and I think that there's so many good lessons from Pistol's life.
This might just be the first one in a series of Green Bean Queen books.
Look out, Clifford, you big red dog, you.
That's right.
Pistol's
We've got
coming
some
in.
competition.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, and check out this book. Carry on.
Carry on.
For behind the scenes footage, extra content, and all our videos early release and ad free, check out our Patreon page.
And check out our blog on our website, carryonvagabond.com.
Thanks again, and carry on.